Hi, Tom Cruise here. Yeah, I'm a Mormon. No, not a Mormon. What am I? I'm a Scientologist. Anyway, listen, I'm just on the next movie here on the beach in Sweden. It's wonderful. It's about a guy flying through the universe in a spaceship. And then what happens, and it lands at this Swedish beach. They have Bulova, which is like a cake here, and Fika, which is a kind of coffee they have in the afternoon. It's absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to do an action film here, and it's no Scientology involved. It's going to be a really good action movie on the beach. And I'm going to have some planes like Top Gun. We're going to have this. I'm going to go pretty crazy here. We're going to really have fun with it, you know. And I love Sweden. You know, I love it. There's plenty of Swedish people here, and it's really great. They talk American, and it's really wonderful here. So anyway, Tom Cruise here. I'm just gonna go on my motorbike now, and maybe get killed. Who knows what? But anyway, have a nice day. See you guys. Yeah, love you all. Yeah, love you all. Love you all.